Hi there, how's it going? This is Boris on the Rubi channel and today is the 13th of August. I've just been sent a video just 10 minutes ago, and it's a Katie Hopkins video, and the video shows migrants basically landing in their dinghy on what looks like Folkestone or Hythe coastline on the beach, and they're all bailed out and they're running up the beach, dozens of them. What's amazing about this is that the British government under Boris Johnson will do nothing. They won't even give it a mention. Hardly get a mention in the media in the UK either. See, Boris Johnson doesn't care because he won in a landslide in an election, and he'll probably win again in a landslide. Not because he's particularly great, it's just that the other side are really awful, and that's the only way he's going to win. But the thing is, when it comes to the next election and before, when he's campaigning, he's going to tell the whole of the UK how he's going to sort this migration issue out as they're flooding onto the Kent coastline. He'll have no intention of fixing it at all, like he hasn't before, but he will start making noises just previous to the next election. It stinks what's going on. These people should be held accountable for what they are doing and what they are not doing, and what they promised to do but failed to act on once they're in power. He's got his tail up. He's confident he's going to win the next election, so he doesn't care. And it stinks. And this is a Conservative government, so-called Conservative government. Anyway, I will leave a link below and you can have a look yourself at the video, but it truly makes my blood boil, and I'm sure it makes yours too. But this is the world we live in, and the media aren't covering this properly. Celebrities support it, and it's just madness. It really is, and I'm sure it's sickening for the people who actually live there, who have to see this at least 2-3 times a week, on nice days especially. But anyway, I hope it all changes, I really do. I hope we get a government with a real leader, a conviction politician who says no, it's not happening ever again, and actually does it. Boris is, well, he's not really conservative, he's a fake conservative. He'll do what's politically expedient at a time, and I don't believe he's in control at all. I think someone else is controlling him, much like all other leaders around the world. This whole thing is being controlled by the United Nations and Davos, man, I have no doubt. And they tell Boris what to do. They tell Merkel and Macron and Trudeau and Ardern. They tell them all what to do, and they will jump to whatever they say. Okay, this is Boris on the Rubi. I'll leave a link below. Have a look yourself. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment and share everywhere. See you later.